Today, we're going to talk about software that pro interior designers use. Some are paid and some are free. These are the computer programs that we use in our firm, and we do about 20 projects at one time, generating about $2 million a year in commercial and residential. And these are the tools that are indispensable to us. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a coupon code for one of my favorite tools. The first software that you need to consider to ensure accuracy with your projects is one for two-dimensional drawings or drafting. In our office, we use AutoCAD. The reason why we use AutoCAD is because we often share drawings back and forth between us and our consultants, largely architects and engineers. Because they use AutoCAD, we also use AutoCAD. The second thing to look for a software for is presentations. Largely, our presentations are what look like 3D models. They're not actually 3D models built in a 3D model program. What we use is Photoshop. Photoshop is a great tool to create something that looks like a 3D model, but it's so much faster. Once in a while, for a big commercial project wherein we have done VR walkthroughs of a space where someone puts on goggles and then they can look around, and if they feel like and looks like they're in the space, but they're really not, sometimes we have created those 3D models in a program called Revit paired with 3D Max. But those are both very expensive programs that take a really long time. So for you, consider how much effort and energy you're willing to put into creation of a 3D model, because maybe Photoshop is just fine. The next tool you'll want to consider having is one for project management and procurement of items. What we use in our office is called Houzz Pro. Houzz Pro is a software that manages all of the items we need in order to achieve a project, as well as doing and handling all the invoicing and payment receipts and so much more. Another thing you want to consider is a software for file storage. Now, you'll want to think about file storage as it relates to your own accessibility of files from your own computer and phone and iPad and from a different place if you're traveling, and maybe that team can also access those same files. That's true for us in our office, so what we use is Dropbox. Dropbox is a great tool that you can store all the files to that don't take up any space on your own computer. You can access it from anywhere, and your team can also access it from anywhere. And number 5, it's really, really important to systemize lead generation. If you can have a system for lead generation, your business is going to be set up to be fueled for life. The tool that we use for that is called Gotcha. It's an app, goes directly onto your phone, and it systemizes the lead generation process. It does it by way of creating templates for communication with potential lead partners. It does it by way of tracking activity so that you know what lead is hot, who you haven't followed up with in a while, and just collects all of that information into one place and makes the lead generation very streamlined and takes the guesswork out of it all. Now, guess what? Remember I told you I had a coupon for you? The coupon is for the Gotcha app. Use code YouTube and you'll receive an extended 30-day free trial. Okay, hold on a second. Hey, hit that subscribe button real quick. Okay, now let's go on. So those are 5 of the softwares that are indispensable for us in our firm. What are some software and programs or apps that you're using? I'm super interested to know, and I'm sure everyone would be too. And if you're interested in more information on how to grow your business, come on over to biographicaldesign.com to learn more.